Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to block ads on Android without any app. So for that, at first just go to your phone settings. Now just scroll here and here you can see Google, click on it. Now under your Google Gmail account, click on manage your Google account. Now here you can see data and privacy, the third option, click on it. Now scroll here. Now in the personalized ads, the first option is my ad center, click on it. Now turn it on. In the bottom right, turn on. Now you can do another thing. The second step is just go back and go to your Chrome browser. Now click the top right, the three dot icon, and click on settings. Now scroll here and here you can see site settings, click on it. Again scroll and here you can see in the content section, the first one is third-party cookies, click on it. Now select the third option here, block third-party cookies. By this you can just block many ads on your device, but it's impossible to block 100% ads on your device. So guys, that's how you can block ads on Android without any apps. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.